Tappy activated. Hey there, coin swappers! Today, I'm going to show you how to trade with up to 100 times more coins than you actually have, and maybe score some really big gains. Let's power up. Basically, margin trading is all about using borrowed money, either from a broker or other users on the platform, to supercharge your trades. When margin trading, humans use a tool called leverage. It's like a booster that multiplies your trading power by 2, 10, or even 100. For example, if you've got only 1,000 coins with leverage, you can trade as if you've got 10,000. But remember, leverage is a two-sided battery. It can boost your gains, but if things go wrong, it can also short-circuit your wallet. When margin trading, there are two main moves you can make: going long or going short. Going long means you think the price of a cryptocurrency is going to rise. So, you borrow the asset now and aim to sell it later at a higher price. Now, if you're shorting, you're betting the coin's price will drop. You borrow the asset, sell it now, and plan to buy it back when it's cheaper. You can profit either way, as long as you guess right. Attention! Want to learn more about margin trading? I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, like, subscribe, and see you after reconnecting. Tappy deactivated.